Welcome to Inside Car Mix, your ultimate destination for exploring the most extraordinary vehicles the world has to offer. Today, we are diving into one of the boldest statements in modern automotive luxury, the 2026 BMW Luxurious Motorhome. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a rolling masterpiece that merges futuristic design, high-end comfort, and BMW's renowned performance DNA into one incredible package. From the moment you lay your eyes on it, the sleek black exterior grabs your attention instantly. Its sharp, angular design and massive presence on the road make it look more like a spacecraft than a traditional motorhome. The signature BMW kidney grille has been reimagined in a bold and aerodynamic style, complemented by aggressive LED lighting that runs seamlessly across the front. Every inch of the body reflects precision engineering, with blackout trims, hidden door handles, and a sculpted silhouette that reduces drag while making a powerful visual impact. The multiple axle setup with large, stylish alloy wheels not only boosts stability, but also adds to its commanding stance. Stepping inside is like entering a five-star penthouse on wheels. The interior is nothing short of breathtaking, with premium leather upholstery, natural wood accents, and ambient lighting that can be customized to suit your mood. The driver's cockpit feels like the helm of a luxury yacht, packed with advanced digital displays, intuitive touch controls, and BMW's latest AI-assisted driving technology. The lounge area offers spacious seating that transforms into plush beds, a high-end entertainment system with 8K displays, and a panoramic glass roof that floods the space with natural light during the day and offers stunning stargazing views at night. The kitchen is fully equipped with state-of-the-art appliances, including an induction cooktop, smart fridge, and even a built-in espresso machine for those perfect mornings on the road. The bathroom features a rainfall shower, heated floors, and luxury finishes that rival top boutique hotels. Performance-wise, BMW hasn't compromised. Under the sleek exterior lies a powerful hybrid electric drivetrain capable of delivering both impressive acceleration and remarkable efficiency for a vehicle of this size. The motorhome offers multiple driving modes, from eco-friendly cruising to dynamic sport performance, ensuring that every journey is both thrilling and comfortable. Advanced suspension systems adapt in real time to road conditions, while the enhanced braking system ensures safety even at high speeds. Long-distance travelers will appreciate the extended battery range, combined with a high-capacity fuel tank, making cross-country trips effortless without frequent stops. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 BMW Luxurious Motorhome sits firmly in the ultra-premium category, starting around the $2 million mark depending on customization options. This price reflects not just the cutting-edge technology and high performance. About to witness something beyond imagination, something that defines the very meaning of ultimate luxury on wheels. This is not just a vehicle, it's a moving masterpiece, a technological marvel and a five-star hotel combined into one stunning creation, the 2026 Mercedes Maybach Motorhome. Imagine standing in front of a machine that looks like it belongs in the future, with a presence so bold it captures attention from every angle. Its sleek aerodynamic bodywork, sculpted curves, and signature Maybach grille instantly tell you this is a class apart. The LED headlights are not just lights, they're a work of art, perfectly integrated into the futuristic design, and when the vehicle lights up at night, it feels like a spaceship ready for a luxury voyage. Large panoramic windows run along the sides, offering not just a view to the outside world, but a statement of openness and elegance. The massive multi-spoke alloy wheels, chrome accents, and flawless paint finish make it clear, this is a rolling palace. Step inside, and the story becomes even more incredible. The interior welcomes you with handcrafted leather seating, polished wood veneers, ambient LED lighting in customizable colors, and a layout that feels more like a luxury suite than a vehicle. Every surface, every detail is meticulously designed by Maybach's finest craftsmen. The lounge area offers recliner chairs with massage functions, a fully equipped kitchen with top-of-the-line appliances, and a dining space that can host a fine dining experience on the road. Moving further, you'll find a spacious bedroom with a king-size bed, high-quality linens, and smart glass windows that can change transparency at the touch of a button. The bathroom rivals those in luxury hotels, complete with a rainfall shower, premium fixtures, and marble finishes. But luxury is not just about looks, performance matters too. Underneath the beauty lies Mercedes engineering at its peak. The 2026 Maybach Motorhome comes equipped with a powerful V8 hybrid engine, delivering seamless power and surprising agility for a vehicle of its size. The advanced suspension system ensures a smooth ride whether you're cruising along the highway or navigating through challenging terrain. Safety and technology are at the heart of this masterpiece, featuring autonomous driving capabilities, advanced driver assistance systems, and AI-based route planning that can find the most scenic or fastest routes depending on your mood. When it comes to owning this ultimate luxury experience, exclusivity comes at a price. The 2026 Mercedes Maybach Motorhome starts at an estimated $3.5 million, with customization options that can push the price well above $5 million. For that, you're not just buying a motorhome, you're buying an unmatched travel lifestyle, a statement of success, and a personal luxury retreat that moves with you anywhere in the world. We're not just talking about any vehicle. We're stepping into the future of luxury travel with the 2026 Cadillac Luxurious Motorhome. Imagine the sophistication of Cadillac blended perfectly with the functionality of a world-class motorhome, and you have a moving palace that redefines road trips forever. From the moment you see it, the exterior design speaks of pure elegance and authority. Its aerodynamic body, signature Cadillac grille, and sleek LED lighting system create a presence that turns heads on highways and at luxury RV parks alike. The chrome accents, 22-inch premium alloy wheels, and panoramic windows don't just look stunning, they announce that this is not just travel, it's an experience. Step inside, and it's like walking into a 5-star hotel suite that just happens to have wheels. The cabin is a masterpiece, combining handcrafted leather seating, genuine wood trims, and customizable ambient lighting. A fully equipped gourmet kitchen, a plush lounge area, a king-size bed, and a spa-inspired bathroom are all wrapped in Cadillac's iconic sense of refinement. The infotainment system is next level, a massive touchscreen with AI-driven navigation, voice control, and a premium surround sound setup that turns every trip into a personal concert. The panoramic sunroof stretches almost the full length of the interior, flooding the space with natural light during the day and giving you breathtaking views of the night sky. Performance is where the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome really surprises. Under the hood, it packs a powerful yet refined hybrid engine that balances impressive horsepower with fuel efficiency, perfect for long-distance cruising. Adaptive air suspension ensures a smooth ride whether you're on freshly paved highways or rugged scenic routes. Advanced driver assistance features, like lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and 360-degree camera systems, make maneuvering a vehicle of this size almost effortless. And yes, it's whisper quiet on the move, thanks to Cadillac's top-tier noise cancellation technology. When it comes to tech, it's not just about entertainment, it's about smart living on the road. You get automated climate control for different sections of the motorhome, wireless charging stations, and even smart storage solutions that maximize space without compromising comfort. Safety is also a top priority, with reinforced chassis design, multiple airbags, and cutting-edge collision prevention systems. Of course, a luxury motorhome of this caliber comes at a premium. Prices for the 2026 Cadillac Luxurious Motorhome start at around $1.8 million, depending on customization and optional packages. But for those who demand the ultimate in comfort, technology, and style while traveling, it's an investment in a lifestyle rather than just a vehicle. So, buckle up and stay tuned, because today, place where automotive dreams meet reality. Here, we take you deep inside the world's most stunning cars, exploring every curve, every stitch, and every roar of the engine. Whether it's the raw power of a supercar, the elegance of a luxury sedan, or the next big thing in futuristic travel, we bring you exclusive insights and cinematic visuals that make you feel like you're right here in the driver's seat. So, buckle up, subscribe, and let's dive into another ride that's going to change the way you think about cars forever. Today, we're exploring something truly special. Mercedes-Benz has just redefined luxury living, and what we're about to see is more than just a vehicle, it's an experience. From the very first glance, the exterior commands respect. The bold grille design, flawless aerodynamic body lines, chrome touches, and signature LED lighting make it look like it belongs both in a high-end art gallery and on the open road. Large alloy wheels and a perfectly balanced stance complete the picture of sophistication and power. Stepping inside is like entering a private luxury suite on wheels. Every surface is draped in soft leather, accented with polished wood and brushed aluminum, while customizable ambient lighting transforms the cabin into your own personal lounge. The seats offer heating, cooling, and massage features, while the panoramic sunroof floods the space with natural light, giving a feeling of open-air freedom even when the roof is closed. The infotainment is pure Mercedes-Benz magic, a massive high-resolution touchscreen powered by the latest MBUX system with AI voice control and seamless smartphone integration. Even the air is purified, so every journey feels fresh and effortless. Under the hood, Mercedes hasn't compromised. The engine delivers thrilling acceleration with buttery smooth gear shifts, while the adaptive suspension keeps every ride serene yet responsive. Whether you're in comfort mode for long journeys, sport mode for spirited drives, or eco mode for efficiency, the performance adapts to your mood. Safety is also unmatched, featuring intelligent driver assistance systems like lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and automated emergency braking, giving you total confidence behind the wheel. But here's the real game changer. This isn't just about getting from point A to point B. This is about enjoying every single moment in between. It's about sipping your coffee in a massage seat while cruising down the coast, or working from your private mobile lounge with panoramic views of the world outside. This is Mercedes-Benz's vision of modern luxury, where travel becomes as indulgent as the destination itself. Of course, a masterpiece like this comes at a price. Depending on features and customization, expect to invest between $200,000 and $300,000. But remember, you're not just buying a car. You're investing in a lifestyle, a statement, and an experience that sets you apart.